Faceless YouTube is exploding in 2025, and if you're not paying attention, you're already falling behind. The days of needing to be on camera to build a massive audience are over. More creators than ever are going faceless, racking up millions of views without ever showing their face. The question is, are you ready to jump in before it's too late? Why is this trend booming? It's simple. People want privacy, creative freedom, and scalability. With AI and technology advancing, creating faceless content has never been easier. Some of the biggest channels in niches like animation, ASMR, and gaming are thriving without revealing their identities. And guess what? You could be next. Let's talk about the power of faceless content. One massive advantage? It shifts focus entirely to your content. No distractions, no personal branding struggles, just high-quality videos that hook viewers in. And the best part? You can create multiple channels in different niches without ever stepping in front of a camera. Now, what are the hottest faceless formats for 2025? First up, voice-over videos. These are perfect for storytelling, education, or explainer videos. With AI-generated voices sounding more human than ever, you don't even need to record yourself. Just script, edit, and upload. Next, animated content. This format is skyrocketing because it's visually engaging and easy to scale. Whether you use motion graphics, whiteboard animations, or full-fledged cartoons, animation keeps viewers watching. Plus, AI tools now make animation creation incredibly simple, even if you have zero design experience. Gaming content remains one of the biggest faceless niches, but it's evolving. It's no longer just about gameplay. It's about storytelling, reactions, and deep dive content. Whether it's narrating game lore or analyzing strategies, gaming creators are building massive audiences without ever showing their faces. But here's the catch. Going faceless doesn't mean being forgettable. You still need to build a brand. That means having a unique voice, a consistent video style, and a recognizable theme. Look at channels like How to Basic or Lofi Girl. They never show their faces, yet their content is instantly recognizable. Another key to success? Building an engaged community. Just because you're faceless doesn't mean you're invisible. Interact with your audience, respond to comments, and create a loyal following that keeps coming back. Community engagement is what separates viral one-hit wonders from long-term success stories. Now let's talk about tech. AI-powered voice generators can create realistic, professional-sounding narrations. That means no more recording or hiring voice actors. Just type and generate. This not only saves time, but also makes multilingual content creation a reality. Worried about creating animations? Don't be. Tools like Canva, Vyond, and Doodly allow you to make stunning visuals without technical skills. These platforms have drag-and-drop features, templates, and even AI-powered automation to streamline your workflow. Managing an audience can be time-consuming, but automation tools help. Chatbots, comment automation, and community management software make it easier than ever to stay engaged without spending hours responding to messages. This means more time creating and less time stressing over admin tasks. So, where is this all headed? Faceless YouTube isn't just a trend, it's the future. More viewers are consuming content based on value, not personality. Whether it's AI-generated content, immersive storytelling, or automated branding, faceless creators will dominate 2025 and beyond. New technologies are constantly emerging. From hyper-realistic AI avatars to interactive video formats, the next wave of faceless content is more immersive than ever. If you start now, you'll be ahead of the curve before this space becomes overcrowded.
And let's be honest, traditional YouTube content is evolving. The old ways of vlogging and personality-driven content are becoming less dominant. People are seeking informative, engaging, and valuable content, regardless of whether they see a face or not. So, what's stopping you? The tools, trends, and strategies are all in place. The only thing left is execution. If you've ever dreamed of growing a YouTube channel without showing your face, now is the perfect time to take action. Start by picking a niche, testing a faceless format, and being consistent. The sooner you start, the faster you'll grow. And remember, YouTube rewards those who take action early. So, what's your next move?